Tips and tricks on catching huge flathead in the Port Acking River. Stay tuned. Just up the back towards Grays Point now, and first cast in this little bay here, we picked up a tailor, I think. Yeah, not a bad fish on the soft plastic. Anyway, back he goes. Okay, I just got my nice tailor out of this bay, and Glenn's just hooked up now, which we think is a good flathead. It's down deep. Good flatty. Oh yeah, here he comes. Real nice flathead. Oh, you'd be happy with that one, eh? Yeah. That's probably a PB for you.
Very good.
He's a really nice flathead. Really nice fish. Oh, beautiful fish, Glenn. Well done, mate. Righto, let's get him back in the water. There we go. Ready? Stop his head. Okay, let me run you through the gear we've been using in the Port Acking River today, lure fishing. I've got a beautiful little light outfit from Shimano there, 4,000 reel spooled up to 6 kilo, line and a rod to match. Nice and light, you can use it all day. It'll handle a lot of different species of fish. A good pair of polarised sunnies are a must. Some little surface poppers are dynamite when the salmon are fussy. You can dance them across the surface. Really good, guys. Get some of them. Have them in your kit. Some metal lures are great for your tailor, salmon, kingfish and bonito. You can work them down deep or you can work them across the surface. And a good selection of soft plastics. Now that's what we've been catching the flathead on today. Make sure you've got a good range of colours and jig head sizes. So a good selection of lures, a nice light outfit that you can use all day, and guys, you'll catch a lot of good fish in any river system. Now guys, the tip on working soft plastics for big flathead, or any flathead that is, we're working off the back of a sandbar at the moment, down into deep water. Now flathead being an ambush predator will sit in this deeper water, waiting for smaller bait fish to come off the flats. So what Glenn and I are doing is just working right along the edge of that drop off, and that's where the flathead are lying. Now it's important with your soft plastics to let them get right to the bottom, and then rip it up off the bottom like a small bait fish or a prawn. Flathead an ambush predator, and that's exactly what they're looking for. Small bait fish or prawns. Anything that wriggles and jiggles down there is food to them. So if you can make your plastic look nice and alive and jerky along the bottom, you're a chance of getting a few flathead. And Glenn's on his second good flathead of the day, or third good flathead I should say. Was that maybe four now? Four now. Four now. Yeah. Oh, this is a good fish too. He's definitely showing me up at the moment.
Oh, it's bigger than the last one.
Here he
Look at that
comes.
monster. Hey, he's not done yet.
Just snip your drag up a bit.
Just tire him out a bit, eh?
Yeah. Oh, it's a cracker, Glenn. Absolute cracker. Just got to get his head round, make sure his head goes into the net first. Most important when you're putting a fish in, especially a big fish in the net, that you get his head in the net first, especially with flathead. If you go too early, there's a good chance he'll take off and bust you off. So he's hooked in the mouth, so that's a good thing. So here he comes. Head first, in the net. Absolute ripper. Woo. That is a cracker of a flathead.
That's a good one.
There's your PB.
Well done.
Woo! Look at the size of that one. Oh, we'll get him on the brag mat, I think, Glenn, and we'll get a measurement on that one, I think.
Yeah, ripper.
Okay, Glenn, let's get that beautiful fish onto the brag mat.
Up we come.
Here we go, we'll just roll it out.
A little more. There we go.
Slide forward a little bit more. Yep,
bang on 80.
Beautiful fish, 80 centimetres, there we go.
Ah.
Lovely fish, mate, lovely fish. All right, let's get it back in the water.
Yep. There we go.
I'll just come up round here.
There we go. You ready?
Yep.
To give a big thank you to all our sponsors for 2019.